Hey, car enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common diagnostic trouble code, the P0103 mass airflow MOF circuit high input. If you're seeing this code, you might notice issues like rough idling, poor acceleration, or even stalling. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to diagnose and fix it yourself. The P0103 code stands for mass or volume airflow MOF circuit high, which means the powertrain control module PCM detected a high voltage output coming from the MAF sensor. Some of the possible causes of the P0103 code include a faulty MAF, an issue with the MAF circuit, and PCM problems. Failed or dirty MAF sensor. MAF sensor circuit issue, damaged wires or poor connection. PCM issue. Check engine light illumination, engine running rough, stalling. Engine hard start or stalling after it starts. First, grab an OBD scanner to confirm the P0103 code, if you don't have one. You can pick one up or visit an auto parts store. Most will scan your car for free. MAP sensors are located between the air filter and the throttle body. Carefully remove the MAP sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around the wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAP sensor cleaner onto the wire, perpendicularly to the ground, so that it won't damage the MAP sensor. Reinstall the MAP sensor back in the car after it gets dry. After you've gone through each of these steps, reconnect everything and start the car. Use your skin tool to clear the P0103 code and see if it stays off. And that's it. Fixing a P0103 code can be straightforward if it's just a dirty sensor or a loose wire. Hopefully, this guide helps you save a trip to the shop. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or if you want to see more DIY car fixes. Thanks for watching.